Hi, welcome to Get Healthcare. Today I'm going to be running through one of our services that we offer, one of our medical services, which is illness certification. So I'm going to scroll over, just navigate down. These are the steps that you need to take yourself as an actual user, and I'll answer some kind of concerns as well, and some issues. So you can see here, this SICK certificate is a fast, safe and legitimate way to obtain SICK certificate online, approved by Irish GPs and delivered within 4 to 24 hours. You can receive official documentation for sick leave effortlessly, suitable for employees and students or over 18 years old. Submit your application by a simple online form, perfect for quick certification of non-critical health concerns. Okay, so essentially, to get started, you click here. Now, so this is the actual application, but before we look at the application, I'm going to run through the actual refund for medical certificates policy. This is a bit you need to kind of look at, consider before you're actually making an application. Refund requests for medical certificates are subject to the following conditions. Standard medical certificates, cancellation requests can be made within 4 hours of the purchase. If the purchase is made outside of working hours, Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 9 p.m, Saturday to Sunday 8 a.m. to 2 p.m, the cancellation request can be made within 4 hours of the next working day. Express medical certificates, cancellation requests can be made within 1 hour of the purchase. If the purchase is made outside of working hours, Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, and Saturday to Sunday 8 a.m. to 2 p.m, the cancellation request may be made within 1 hour of the next working day. Important notice, the right to cancel and request a refund does not apply if the doctor has already issued the certificate, regardless of when the request was made. We recommend reviewing your purchasing details carefully and contacting us promptly if cancellation is required. For further assistance, please reach out to us at support@gethealthcare.ie. Okay, so that's quite detailed in terms of refund policy and where we're at with everything. I'll talk you through the actual I'll walk you through essentially the application process now. So step 1, personal information. I'm seeking sick leave from studies, work, travel, or work from home. Social welfare certification is not available via the service, so we do not do social welfare certificates via form fill here. This is just sick certificates. Looking for leave from work, studies, travel, or work from home. Okay, I'm going to put down studies. I'm going to put in my name, just pre-populate it with some information, my email address, my phone number, my date of birth. I'm going to pick something random here. I'm a lot older than I would like to be. Mail, there's my address. Okay, all my information there. That's an old address. That's a pre-prompt fill-in. So I hit next to progress on to the next section. Now we're entering into the medical questionnaire. This is mandatory. Anything with the red star next to it is mandatory. So I'll say plus promotions. Okay. Next question is mandatory as well. What is the main reason you are choosing our medical certificate services, which is required? So I don't have a GP. My GP is not available. I need certification urgently, and currently I'm unable to visit a GP in person. I cannot afford the GP visit fees. So I need a certificate urgently. There's a problem in Ireland now with GP waiting times, and I think this is a big one. Is your current illness a medical emergency, or does it require urgent in-person care by a doctor, medical professional? This is required. So, no. This service is only available for persons aged 18 years and older. So I'm hitting no, and we're progressing on to the next one. Is your current illness a minor illness that will most likely self-resolve itself in less than 4 weeks? Yes. Are you pregnant? This service can only issue 6 certificates for a maximum of 2 weeks, which I'll show you later, right? So we can backdate by 7 days and but the maximum you can apply for is a 2-week period. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to get the actual 2-week period that you apply for. It is up to the doctor to determine, based on your illness, how long you should be certified for. You can come back to us once that period of certification has lapsed. If the period of certification isn't within your preferred date range, but you will need to reapply, and information will need to go in front of our doctor. So, are you pregnant? No. Do you have severe symptoms of any kind, including and not limited to difficulty breathing, loss of limb sensation or control, chest pain, unrelenting headache, worsening abdominal pain, loss of vision, slurred speech, thoughts of suicide, confusion or bleeding? This is required. The service cannot issue sick certs for any trauma-related illness. No. For which minor illness are you requesting a sick certificate? I'm going to say fracture the bone. I broke my arm. Okay. You populate truthfully whatever. This is not, as well, just to note here, we cannot backdate sick certificates or assess fitness to work. We can backdate by 7 days, but we cannot assess fitness for work. That is a different application. So this is a sick certification, not fitness to work application. We can backdate by 7 days. Okay, so I broke your my arm. Okay, so, and I go, these are the options in the date range, the 11th through to the 24th. That's a 2-week period, so I'm not guaranteed to get it, but I am applying for it. And I'll pick any old document here, because I'm not going to actually finish the process. Now I have two options here, which would be Express, $39.99, or Standard. We'll go Express, submit and check out. Okay, so you can see here we're at the checkout page now. Billing details are required here. So company name, if optional. So anything optional, you don't need to fill in. Anything with the red dot next to it, you do need to fill in. So we go down here. County is missing, which I need to put in Cork. And then I'm going down. Phone number is there. Nothing to add. Nothing. Any other notes that you might have for the doctor that will be reviewed. Now, payment section. Okay, so you're looking here, total price here is $39.89 for 2 to 4 hour option, subtotal $39.89, and then you have two options. You can check out with Visa, MasterCard, Visa, debit card, American Express, either debit, credit card situation, or you can use Klarna, which is a great option. This would be 3 easy installments. The amount would be $13.99. 3 interest-free payments. Okay, so up to yourself which way you want to check out. You can use Klarna, or you can use your own credit card, debit card system. Place the order. Okay, and then you'll be prompted to a payment page from there, and then just input your details. You know, I don't need to actually show you that. So if you have any questions, please, you can, like, through the process as well, if you have any questions, you can just chat to us on WhatsApp. This will actually bring me to my own WhatsApp now, but there's a WhatsApp chat there. Your certificate will be sent via email and via WhatsApp, which is great. It is end-to-end encrypted, as you can see here. There's a support email, support@gethealthcare.ie. There is a phone line as well that's available if you call us. There you go, there's the phone line, 021-245-185. That is manned. You can reach out to us via email, any which way you want. We're here to support you. And that's it. So thanks so much for your time, and next week I'll run through a few other products. We'll do them one at a time. Hopefully I'll get through some of the bugs or issues that we're having. We have good reviews online on Trustpilot and on the Google My Business page. We don't have not 100% perfect, but we're trying to improve the system over time. So really open to any feedback or any questions or any criticism, and hopefully we'll be able to further improve the service for everyone to increase the user experience. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll be running another one of these with the product again next week. Thanks.